Hello, my beautiful people, my amazing subscriber. Oh, today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I prepare this delicious pepper soup. So, guys, if you want to know how I prepare this delicious pepper soup, please stay tuned. And please do not forget to subscribe. If you are new there, please do not forget to subscribe. And for my old returning subscriber, thank you so much for always watching my video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys so much. Like, daily. So guys, our fish pepper soup is ready, as you can see. Oh my goodness. So sweet and so delicious. Guys, the door is open. Come and join me, okay? So you can eat this pepper soup with rice. You can use it to eat many things like a core, many things. You can use it to eat rice, especially rice. So now I'm going to cook my rice in back of my camera, okay? So if you love my video, please, my beautiful, amazing, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment. As you do, may God bless you. It's very, very important, okay? Thank you so much for your understanding. And yes, so come and join me. The door is open. As you can see the fish. Oh my goodness. I can't wait. Yes, me and my husband, we need to eat this food tonight. Yes. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you so much for watching my video. So see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love you guys.